The Philippines on Sunday accused China of firing water cannons at one of its vessels in the disputed South China Sea. Describing the Chinese Coast Guard's action as illegal and dangerous, Manila issued a strong condemnation statement stating that Chinese Coast Guard ship made excessive and offensive use of water cannons to block a Filipino supply boat from delivering new troops, food, water, and fuel to a Philippine-occupied shoal in the disputed South China Sea. The latest incident happened on Saturday as the Philippine Coast Guard escorted vessels carrying supplies for Filipino military personnel stationed at 2nd Thomas Shoal in the Spratly Islands, known in China as the Nansha Islands. The US State Department voiced its support for the Philippines and called on China to respect the freedom of navigation. China has no lawful claim to the maritime area around 2nd Thomas Shoal, it said in a statement. Beijing claims almost all of the sea, through which trillions of dollars in trade passes annually, and has ignored a 2016 International Court ruling that its assertion has no legal basis. Its Coast Guard and Navy vessels routinely block or shadow Philippine ships patrolling the contested waters, Manila says. Saturday's incident was the first time since November 2021 that the Chinese Coast Guard has used water cannon against a Philippine resupply mission to 2nd Thomas Shoal. The armed forces of the Philippines said the Chinese Coast Guard had blocked and water cannoned one of its chartered resupply vessels. Due to the excessive and offensive actions, a second chartered vessel was unable to unload its cargo for the routine troop rotation and resupply operation. China's Coast Guard countered that it had implemented necessary controls in accordance with the law to deter Philippine ships, which it accused of trespassing and carrying illegal building materials. Coast Guard spokesman Gan Yu added, China has indisputable sovereignty over the Spratly Islands and their adjacent waters, including the 2nd Thomas Shoal. The South China Sea has long been a source of tension between Manila and Beijing. Beijing claims indisputable sovereignty over almost all of the 1.3 million square miles South China Sea, as well as most of the islands within it. That includes the Spratlys, an archipelago consisting of 100 small islands and reefs also claimed in full or part by the Philippines, Malaysia, Brunei, and Taiwan. Manila, however, calls the area the West Philippine Sea. In 1999, it internationally grounded a Navy transport ship, the BRP Sierra Madre, on 2nd Thomas Shoal, manned by Filipino Marines, to enforce the country's claim to the area. Philippine maritime authorities have accused Chinese vessels of harassing Filipino fishers in the vicinity.